how to buy FORTNITIFY or FORTNITIFY token. So this token came under the symbol of skins. And now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on about this token, don't forget and go and engage with their community. And X, as you can see, they have 389 members there. Now, this token, as you can see, it's available in the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 900% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 3 in the Solana section. Now, I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open in Fund Wallet. But as you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. And now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So this is how to now click on it and click on I understand. Now after that, you can type here how much you want to buy, as you can see, and you will be able to see here how much you will be able to receive with that token. After that, click on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and you will be able to see here swap. And after that, after you click on it, you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy skins token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.